Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I'm going to explain how to install Docker Desktop on Windows. So let's start. First of all, search for command prompt. So type a command CMD and open your command prompt in administrator mode. Once you open your command prompt in administrator mode, then you can see the interface like this. Now we are going to install a Docker Desktop using Winget. So type a command Winget and press enter. Here you can see Winget is already installed on my Windows operating system as it is a part of Windows operating system by default. Now type a command winget search. We are going to search for the package called as Docker. So I'm typing it as Docker. So you need to type a command winget search and the name of the package. Press enter. Now it will search all the packages in the Winget. And if you go to the top over here, you can see Docker Desktop and its ID is docker.docker desktop. Now copy this ID. Once you copy this ID, then you need to type another command called as winget install and ID of the package that we have copied. Press enter. So it will automatically download the Docker package and it will automatically install Docker Desktop on Windows. Now wait for some time. And here you can see the package is downloaded. Now it is installing on your Windows system. Now here you can see the message successfully installed. Now minimize the command prompt and search for Docker in main menu. And here you can see the icon Docker Desktop. So click on this option. And over here you can see the UI of Docker Desktop. So in this way, we can install Docker Desktop on Windows. Thanks for watching.